foodies, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious peppered croquette. Guys, this was a 5-star dish, and without wasting any of your time, let's get right into the video. For this recipe, I'm going to be using croquette fish. You can use any other fish of your choice. I'm going to season the fish with some paprika, ginger, chicken seasoning, salt, and all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm just going to mix everything together. For my fish, I've already cleaned it, so I'm just going to cut through on both sides. Next, I'm just going to rub all the spice into the fish. I'm going to rub it very well so that everything goes into the fish. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also always leave me a comment. It helps you to recommend my video to other viewers. Thank you. After rubbing the spice into the fish, I'm just going to set it aside and allow it to marinate for at least 15 to 30 minutes. In a hot pan, I'm just going to add some oil into the pan and allow it to heat for a little bit. Then I'm just going to be adding some onions to give the oil a bit of flavor. Next, I'm going to fry the fish for about 8 minutes on each side. While the fish is frying, let's make our pepper mix. In the process, I'm going to be adding some paprika pepper, scotch bonnet, onions, and some chili peppers. I'm going to blend everything roughly. At this point, the fish is ready, so I'm just going to take everything out, and then I'm going to reduce the oil in the pan because there is too much oil, as you can see. And next, I'm just going to be adding my onions, and I'll saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll add my pepper mix. I'm just going to stir everything together, and then I'm going to season it with some seasoning, curry, and thyme. And I will allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on low heat. And have you subscribed? Please subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button on your screen, and it is absolutely free. Thank you for subscribing. After 5 minutes, guys, the sauce was ready. Guys, the sauce was so good. It was so yummy. And by the way, you can eat the sauce with rice, with yam, and with even sweet potatoes. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the sauce. I'm going to set it aside for later use. And then I'm going to add the fish into the pan. I'm going to cover everything with the sauce and allow it to cook for 2 minutes on each side on very low heat. And there you have it, guys. Your pepper fish is ready, guys. This fish tastes so amazing, and like I said, it is a five-star restaurant dish, guys. So I added some potatoes, some coleslaw, and I also added some sauce. And guess what, I did add some jollof rice, guys. Within 10 minutes we ate everything was gone because it was so yummy. The fish was juicy, it wasn't dry at all. The coleslaw was good. The jollof rice, oh my goodness, they all work well together. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.